Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, not long now, but I'm heading off to give this book, Private Dancer, to Rab, who I will be meeting in a few weeks' time in Bangkok and then driving down Pattaya. He's never been before, so I'm going to give him this book and let him do a little bit of reading up about it all. Give him some sort of idea. What's this here? Voicemail.
It's Lauren. I hope you're well, mate. I'm giving you a ring because for some reason I just can't respond to your message. I don't know why I can't text you back, which is a bit strange. It just says MMS not supported by network, which is very odd. But anyway, just briefly on Sunday, I'm meeting Rick, my mate Rick, you've met before, back from Spain, meeting him at 2 o'clock in the Strawberry, and then we're going to have a couple of pints of bikes with him, and then we're going into Lancaster. I'm not sure what time yet, but we're going to meet Kevin there, and then we're going to watch Macca in the city rooms about 5 o'clock. He doesn't know that, but we'll go in there. Nidhi might be out, and he needs to get back to me, and I'm not sure about Spud, Lundy and Si aren't out. So if you're out, mate, just give us a ring. It's fantastic to see you in Lancaster on Sunday, mate. It'll be absolutely brilliant. If you can make it, just give us a ring, or you can text me or whatever, but I'll be able to reply, which is a bit crazy, but probably better if you give us a ring if you're out. See you. Take care. Cheers, mate. Bye.
Bloody hell, he can talk.
To hear this message again...
Hello, Mr. Just go and check your Wolves Garage. If you check your Wolves Garage, you'll find something very interesting. Bye.
To hear this message again, press 1.
Insanity. Why would you want a car that makes a noise like that? What did they get out of it? Can't understand it. Now then, where are we? I'm off to my daughter's to tell her I've got to Thailand in 2 days' time. It'll be alright, I've done it all the time. But I'm going to tell her now, have a cup of tea with her and whatever, and then get ready for the old trip. So over the next couple of days, this is my preparation. I'll eat sensibly, nothing too spicy, nothing that's going to upset my stomach. And the day before, I will try and moderate my food intake, so when I get on the aeroplane, I'm not bloated and needing to go for a number 2, if you know what I mean, because there's nothing worse than being bloated on a long international flight. I also like to wear a nice pair of pants that are nice and stretchy, nothing too tight, so that you're sat in comfort. And when I've got the arduous flight out of the way, it's torture, isn't it? Then you can begin to relax. It's going to be a different trip this time, no real planning, but it's made me feel a little bit apprehensive because I'm out of my comfort zone. I'm travelling light, which I've never done before, and I'm not planning anything which I've never done before. So I feel a little bit different about setting off on this journey, but I'll be alright when I get there. I've had ups and downs. Do I really want to go? Do I really want to do it? But I'll be alright, like I say, when I get there. So this is just a quick update video. I will be uploading as many videos as I can over the next month or so, and let's hope it's a good trip. So till whenever and wherever, over and out. Can I have a taxi, please? Lancaster train station.
Why you want to make me feel?